Hi, I'm Megan Morris, co-founder of the Posh Pro Project. I have designed these courses for resellers just like you. No matter where you're at in your resale business journey, we have you covered. Basic Pro is a quick, easily digestible starter course that will get you up and running on Poshmark with a step-by-step guide to starting your closet, getting your account up and running, and listing your very first products. It will help you sidestep the mistakes everyone makes when getting going on this fun and fast-paced social selling platform. Jumpstart the algorithm is also Poshmark specific. Poshmark is not like any other selling site. Its algorithm can strand you on no-sale island if you're not careful. But if you understand what the algorithm expects of you, you can get ahead of the competition. I did the heavy lifting for you, so your algorithm gets working to get your items noticed and sold. The course will pay for itself in the first day of putting your new algorithm plan into action. Shop for Success is a really fun and informative course filled with my tried and true tips of where to shop and how to shop, a thrift shop, a garage sale, estate sale, or online. You will walk away with the best possible inventory that will get you noticed and make you money. We give you extremely important rules of the road so you don't end up with the dreaded death pile. And importantly, you will walk away knowing exactly how much to spend, what to keep, and what to leave behind to make your business successful. Business Strategies is for resellers who are ready to take their side hustle of thrifting and make it into a thriving business. I've been there. I made all the mistakes that first-time resellers make, so you don't have to. This is your business, and it should be treated as your job. You will learn to work a 40-hour work week with the confidence of a seasoned professional, organizing your inventory, your schedule, your closet, and your process, from listing to shipping, down to the letter. I make $55,000 a year shopping for a living, and so can you. My favorite course, DIY for Resellers, helps you repair gorgeous items you find on your treasure hunts with fast and easy methods from iron hacks to leather repair and everything in between. Get the toughest stains out and repair the impossible to help you get a lost luxe item back on the market and making you big bucks. So whether you're just getting started or just ready to make money, we're here to help. Make a living doing what you love. Be your own boss and enjoy your life. These courses pay for themselves in the very first sale you make, so you can keep going. And our help doesn't end here. Our weekly podcast, Rags to Resale, our blogs, and our YouTube and Instagram segments will keep you up to date on the latest changes to the algorithms, the happening events, and all the fun our industry has to offer. So join us. We want to be your work community. You can do this. Happy thrifting and see you out there, Posh Pros. Let's do this.